needed just one more thing to happen to me today.
Won't it start?
Would I be standing here like a dope if it would? You pay a fortune for a car, won't even start.
I'll drive you to the office.
All right,
You and
come on.
Tom go on to the crystal room.
I'm going to drive. You've been eating too many olives with your martinis.
Well, if I get stuck, I may call you. You know how tough it is getting a taxi down here late at night. I don't want to be stranded here.
Just give me a ring at the crystal room. I'll pick you up. That's what wives are for.
Pickup?
Now, don't start that.
I was just kidding. I'll catch up with you later. Howdy.
Hello, Ralph. What kept you? I thought this was so important. I told Judge
Look, you'll
Whitmer
have to
we'd
handle
call
this
him later
yourself.
and
Make
set up...
any decision you want. I'll get in touch with you later.
But, Ralph...
Will you do what I tell you? I've got an appointment. Now, go on.